Hi, welcome. This video is going to show you how to do a comparable market analysis using the IMAP program. Log into your dashboard, go to IMAP, check which county, make sure you're in Miami-Dade. If you're going to be searching Miami-Dade, I'm going to use 19321 Sterling Drive. Start your search. Okay, this is the property. Find comparables. Okay, it automatically already gives you a list of comparables and tells you that the property is estimated to be between 340 and 344. Now there are some low sales that it's using, so you could come down here and adjust it. Okay, it's already selected all these. So let's go ahead and take out some of these that are some low sales. Like you can see here by the square footage. Okay. This one's $112 a square foot. You could take that one out. $139 a square foot, which is very low. 37. Okay. Now you can see that it went up to 353. And basically around that's what it's worth, because I already did a comparable market analysis using Realist. When I do a comparable market analysis on a home, I use Realist, IMAP, and RPR. I do all three to see what they give me, what the average is. So that's how you do a comparable market analysis using IMAP. Please like the video and also hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can see our upcoming videos. Thank you and have a great day.